Welcome to today's video. We got our hands on the Lamborghini Huracán STO, hired for a full test drive, and trust me, this is not your average supercar experience. The first impression, from the moment you see it, the STO commands attention. Insane aero sharp lines and that roof scoop. It looks like it's just rolled off a racetrack. And when you fire up that naturally aspirated 5.2 litre V10 engine, it's pure theatre. Let's crank it up and see what it sounds like. Enjoy the video, guys. This video is sponsored by WorldSIM. I actually used their services while travelling here to the UAE. Super handy for staying connected. Use my affiliate link below to get 10% off your purchase. Quick shout out to WorldSIM for sponsoring this video. Hit the link in the description and grab 10% off with my code. We're now leaving the hotel basement car park in the STO. The exit incline is super steep. I had to lift the car to avoid scraping the front. With a low car like this, one wrong move and you can hear the carbon on the concrete. Hence, I had to be super careful. Driving the STO up that ramp, it's nerve-wracking. You're holding your breath, hoping the front doesn't scrape. That's when you really feel how low this beast sits. We're going to where? The Palm Jumeirah. The STO feels completely different. While the standard Huracán is fast and fun, the STO is raw, stripped down and race focused. You feel a lot more connected, more involved. It's louder, stiffer and more aggressive. Every input is sharper. Every reaction is quicker. It's not just a standard Huracán with aero, it's a whole new beast built for serious drivers. Listen to that V10 engine. It's savage, screaming, unfiltered madness. The high-pitched roar at full throttle. Pure Italian rage. It crackles, pops and echoes through Dubai like a symphony of horsepower. As we enter the tunnel at Palm Jumeirah, just listen to that V10 engine roar. The echo bouncing off the walls make it even more savage. We just arrived at the Palm Jumeirah for a short stop to shoot some epic content with the Lamborghini STO. As we parked up, we spotted a stunning Lamborghini Revoluto. I could not resist parking the STO right next to it. Two raging bulls side by side. The STO parked next to the Revoluto with Palm Jumeirah in the backdrop. It's every petrolhead's dream. Pure automotive art against a luxury skyline.